Hey there, everyone. Gloria Heck, your go-to source for all things real estate. Today, we are going to be diving into the current state of the South Florida real estate market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a hopeful home buyer, this update is for you. What's the scoop on South Florida's housing market? According to real estate economist Ken H. Johnson, we may be at the peak of the housing cycle. Now, don't panic just yet. Johnson suggests this is typical for a market reaching its current cycle peak. The good news, no major crash is on the horizon. Why? Well, it boils down to supply and demand. In Southeast Florida, there's a scarcity of units and a surge in people who want to move here. This high demand is keeping prices up in all three counties. Year to year, prices for single-family homes are up from 6.5% in Broward, 7.5% in Miami-Dade, and 9.25% in Palm Beach counties. The average single-family home ranges in prices from $575,000 to $622,000 to $733,000. While the number of properties for sale increased year to year in all of our counties. Based upon this strong demand, we're not expecting any drastic price reductions. Johnson notes a slight dip in interest rate, making for a favorable environment. Annual home appreciation is up slightly, translating into stable prices for the typical Southeast Florida consumer. While rates have been a hindrance to buying, they are starting to drop slightly, but the rate shouldn't be a reason not to buy. We keep hearing the phrase, you date the rate and marry the house. It's important to find the right house. A good idea about buying something now is that you have less competition. There are fewer people out there that want to buy because of the interest rates. If the rates drop later, you can always refinance. It's important to find a balance between your dream home and favorable financials. So here's an example. If you purchase a home today for $620,000 and put 20% down, you could finance $496,000 at 7.5%. Your monthly payment would be $3,468. If you waited an extra year, that same house would cost you $677,350 with an appreciation of $57,350. You could always refinance. So let's delve into market variations. Johnson explains that where people are moving, prices are more likely to rise. Currently, south to north domino effect is happening in South Florida. Palm Beach is expected to grow faster than the other counties, which could probably explain why prices, for example, in Palm Beach County increased 9.25%, with a single-family home costing $570,000 in 2022 is now costing $622,733 in 2023. Another factor which could impact a buyer who decides to wait another year, hoping that prices or rates will go down. It's essential to keep an eye on these trends as they unfold. In conclusion, South Florida's housing market is dynamic, and understanding these trends can be your key to making informed decisions. Whether you're a buyer, seller, or an investor, stay tuned for more updates from me. And remember, knowledge is power in real estate. Until next time, see you later, and happy house hunting.